The India-Mauritius Treaty has been a talk of the town for last decade or so, not only in the investment circles but also in the political circles. And India has been trying very hard to renegotiate the treaty. Finally, on 10th of May, India and Mauritius signed a protocol which give effects to the renegotiated treaty. Under the renegotiated treaty, India will get, most importantly, the capital gains rights for sale of shares in India, and that's the most important development, I would say, of this decade. It also provides for protection of the current investments, so there is grandfathering available in terms of all the investments that have been made over the years. As you all know, Mauritius accounts for the largest FDI investment into India and the second largest foreign institutional investments into India, and therefore it's a very important development from all the foreign investments perspective. The India-Mauritius Tax Treaty, under the renegotiated terms, as I mentioned, India would have the rights to tax capital gains in India from April 2017. After the period of 2 years, where India will have a very restricted rights of taxing only 50% at the 50% of the tax rate. From April 2019, India will have full taxing rights. For Mauritius, all is not lost, because for institutional investment, it still means that the derivatives and the F&O trading that they do will still outside the ambit of the India-Mauritius renegotiated treaty, and therefore they still continue to enjoy the capital gain exemption that was there. Alongside the India-Mauritius Tax Treaty, Singapore question always remains, because Mauritius and Singapore are always taken in the same breath. A lot of investors flocked to Singapore after the Mauritius controversy erupted in India, but unfortunately for them, there is no respite. The India-Singapore Tax Treaty is linked to the India-Mauritius Treaty, and it provides for taxing benefits to India as soon as India can renegotiate its treaty with Mauritius. The only thing now remains to be seen is whether the India gets immediate taxing rights, or India will take a step in terms of renegotiation it with the Singapore tax authorities or Singapore government and bring a protocol very similar to the India-Mauritius Tax Treaty.